Hello everyone, I am Juhi. Today we will learn genetics, principles of inheritance and variations. So let's get started. Introduction to genetics. Genetics was coined by Bateson. What is genetics? It is branch of biology dealing with inheritance and variation of characters from parents to offsprings. What is variation? It is degree by which progeny differs from their parents. Inheritance, process by which characters are passed from parents to their offsprings or progenies. Now terminology. Characters which are expressible form of phenotypes. Contrasting characters having more than one variant. All characters are not contrasting. Traits which are detectable variant. And gene, it is unit of inheritance. Allele is different forms of same gene coding for a pair of contrasting traits. Homozygous, having two alleles of a gene. Example, dominant TT or the recessive homozygous TT. Heterozygous is having different alleles. Monohybrid cross applied for one character only. Dihybrid, cross applied for two characters. Now what is Mendel's law of inheritance? It was given by Gregor Mendel. He experimented on garden peas for 7 years. He gave that a true breeding line is one having undergone continuous self-pollination for several years. Mendel selected 14 such type of true breeding peas. Those are height, seed shape, seed color, and all these which are dominant. And recessive traits are short, wrinkled, green, white, etc. Now what is the inheritance of one gene? He gave that when homozygous dominant is crossed with recessive homozygous, the F1 generation gives the heterozygous one. The gametes are T and T, and when it is self-crossed, it gives TT, which is homozygous dominant. This is heterozygous dominant, and this is recessive dominant. The phenotypic ratio is 3:1, which is tall is to short, and the genotypic ratio is 1:2:1, where 1 is homozygous dominant, 2 is heterozygous dominant, and 1 is homozygous. Now alphabets used, as I told you that T and T are the alleles of each other. T is tall and small t is dwarf. This TT is homozygous and this is also homozygous but recessive one, and this is heterozygous. Now what is test cross? Test cross is Mendel cross between the tall plant from F2 with a dwarf plant to depict that to determine the genotype of tall plant at F2 generation. So when homozygous recessive crossed with dominant phenotype which is also homozygous, gave that all flowers were violet. So the interpretation involves that it is unknown flower which has homozygous dominant, whereas when homozygous recessive was crossed with the heterozygous dominant, they gave half of the flowers were violet and half of the flowers were white, where violet is the dominant one and the white color is the recessive one. What is law of segregation? It is alleles that do not have any blending and that both the characters are recovered as such in F2 generation, though one of these are not seen in F1 generation. Homozygous parents produces all gametes that are similar. Heterozygous parents produces two kinds of gametes having one allele with equal proportions. What is incomplete dominance? It is when a cross between two pure breed is done for one contrasting character, the F1 hybrid phenotype does not resemble either of the two parents and was in between the two, called the incomplete. As seen in dogflower, which is snapdragon or antirrhinium species, in F2 generation, phenotypic ratio was 1:2:1, whereas by Mendelian it was 3:1. Genotypic ratio remains the same, 1:2:1. Let us see the picture. When red flowered variety, which is RR dominant, crossed with white, which is RR recessive homozygous, gave RR in F1 generation, which is pink color. After selfing this, it gave that RR was red and these two were pink and this was white. So an intermediate compound was formed between the two. Now what is codominance? It is F1 generation resembles both parents side by side. The best example is ABO blood grouping, where IA and IB produces slightly different form of sugars, and small I, which is recessive, does not produce any type of sugars. And the plasma membrane of RBC, which has antigen at the surface, gene I is controlled by this antigen. Let us see codominance and multiple allelism. Blood groups are these: A, B, AB and O. Possible genotypes for this will be IA or IA small I, and like this. Now crosses between the blood group, when AA is crossed, these type of genotypes are seen, and possible phenotypes are A and AO. Likewise for this also. Now a single gene product may produce more than one effect also. It was seen in starch synthesis in pea seeds, which was controlled by only one gene. Starch is synthesized effectively by BB homozygote, which is large starch grains, and BB, which is less efficient, produces smaller grains. And heterozygous, which gives the intermediate size. So if starch grain size is considered as the phenotype, then from this angle the alleles show the incomplete dominance, means it also shows the intermediate size also. Till now we have seen inheritance of one genes only. Now for two genes, law of independent assortment was given. It says that when two characters are combined in a hybrid, segregation of one pair of traits is independent of the other pair of traits. Chromosomal theory of inheritance. It was proposed by Walter Sutton and Theodore Boveri. They worked out on chromosome movement during meiosis. Sutton united the knowledge of chromosome segregation with Mendelian principles called the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Chromosomes and genes are present in pairs in diploid state, as we all know. Homozygous chromosomes separate during gamete formation, meiosis, which is a divisional stage, and mitosis, which is equational stage. Now fertilization restores the chromosome number to diploid condition. The chromosome theory of inheritance claims that it is the chromosomes that segregate and assort independently. To prove this, an experiment was conducted on fruit flies, Drosophila melanogaster. Why Drosophila? Because it was suitable for genetic conditions. It has complete life cycle in about 2 weeks, which is so least. Grow on simple synthetic medium in laboratory, have clear differentiation of male and female, and so on. Now what is linkage and recombination? It is Morgan described yellow-bodied, white-eyed females to brown-bodied, red-eyed male and intercrossed their F1 progeny. They gave 9:3:1 ratio. We observe that the two genes do not segregate independently to each other. whereas this is the normal dihybrid cross. When two genes in a dihybrid were situated on a same chromosome, the chromosome of parental gene combination was much higher than the non-parental type. Morgan attributed this due to the physical association of linkage of the two genes and coined this term as linkage. Morgan observed that when some genes were grouped on same chromosome and they were tightly linked, they show that very low recombination was observed, whereas when loosely linked, they showed higher recombinations. The genes of white and yellow were very tightly linked and showed 1.3% recombination, whereas white miniature winged showed 37.2% recombination as they were loosely linked. Alfred Stewart used the frequency of recombination between gene pairs on the same chromosome as a measure of distance between genes, mapped their position on the chromosome. He mapped. This is the mapped position. Now, polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance is the phenotypic reflects the contribution of each allele, that is, the effect of each allele is additive. For example, skin color in human. Multiple gene phenotypic inheritance is observed in polygenic inheritance. This three types of polygenes are observed. AABBCC will have the darkest skin color, whereas the recessive one will have the lightest skin color. Other combinations always are the intermediate one. Now, pleiotropy. Pleiotropy is single gene which exhibits multiple phenotypic expressions. It is seen in phenylketonuria. The disease is caused due to the mutation in the gene that code for the enzyme phenylalanine hydroxylase. Phenotypic characterized by mental retardation, reduction in hairs, and reduction in skin pigmentations. What is mutation? Mutation is the phenomena which results in the alteration of DNA sequences and sequentially results in the changes in genome and phenotype of the organisms. Loss or gain of a segment of DNA results in alteration of chromosomes. Mutations also arise due to the change in single base pair of the DNA. Example is sickle cell anemia. Deletion or insertions of the base pairs causes the frame shift mutations. There are various types of mutations. Now, genetic disorders. Pedigree analysis is done to exhibit the genetic disorders. Analysis of traits in several of generations of the family is called pedigree analysis. In pedigree analysis, the inheritance of the particular trait is represented in the family tree over generations. What is autosomal dominant? Affected by individuals having least one affected parent. The phenotype generally appears every generation. Two unaffected parents only have unaffected offsprings. Traits are controlled by dominant genes. Both male and females are equally affected. It is not sex-linked, it is autosomal. Example is tongue rolling ability, polydactylity. Autosomal recessive, unaffected parents can have affected offsprings. Both male and female are equally affected, appear only when homozygous. Example is albinism and sickle cell anemia. What is Mendelian disorders? It is chromosomal disorder. Genetic disorders. Example hemophilia, color blindness, cystic fibrosis, sickle cell, thalassemia, phenylketonuria. They obey the principle of Mendelian inheritance during the transmission from one generation to other and can be expressed in pedigree. What is hemophilia? It is the disease in single protein that is a part of cascade of proteins involved in the clotting of blood is affected. Due to this, an affected individual have a simple cut will result in non-stop bleeding, where clot formation is reduced. Sex-linked recessive disease. It is a sex-linked recessive disease, the disease transmitted from unaffected carrier female to male progeny. Daughter can receive the disease from both mother and father. Affected transmits the disease only to the son, not to the daughter. Now, sickle cell anemia. It is defect caused due to the substitution of glutamic acid by valine at 6 position of beta globin gene of hemoglobin. Various type of possible genotypes are observed: HbA, HbA2, HbS, HbS, heterozygous, HbA, HbS, transmitted from parents to offsprings when both the parents are carrier for the gene, which is heterozygous. It is autosome linked recessive trait. Phenylketonuria, observed in recessive trait, inborn error of metabolism. The affected individual lack one enzyme called phenylalanine hydroxylase that converts the amino acid phenylalanine to tyrosine. These derivatives excreted from kidney. Accumulation of these results in mental retardation. Chromosomal disorders. These are caused by the absence or excess of abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. Failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division cycle results in gain or loss of chromosome called aneuploidy. Failure of cytokines after telophase stage of cell division results in an increase in whole set of chromosomes. This is called polyploidy. Trisomy, it is additional copy of chromosome, which is 2n plus 1. Monosomy, which is lack of one chromosome, which is 2n minus 1. Down syndrome, it is a trisomy 2n plus 1. This order was discovered by Langdon Down. Short stature with small round head, furrowed tongue will be observed, partially open mouth, palm is broad with characteristic palm crease, physical and psychomotor and mental development is retarded. Last but not the least, Klinefelter syndrome, which is additional copy of X chromosome 47. It can also be written as 44 plus XXY. Have masculine development, mostly seen in males. Also have feminine character, breast, which is also called gynecomastia. Individuals are sterile. Turner syndrome, it is absence of X chromosome. 44 plus XO can also be written. Females are sterile and ovaries are rudimentary. Lack of other secondary sexual characters usually seen in females. Thank you for this. Thank you for today's lecture.